Hi guys, this is Vetrivel. Right now I will share my knowledge. I will share my knowledge because I will teach you how to getting a data grid view row index. Data grid view row index. First you have to add the data grid view. I'm using C#.net. So just drag in a data grid view inside a form. Okay, after that just expanding the forms in my window. I will remove all the items. After that I will add some columns here. Add column. So ID, name, age, and then salary. Okay, and click the close. After that just edit column, select the name and go to auto size mode is full, because when you're seeing the data grid view now it will be fulfill. That's why. Okay, now just I add the four columns here: id, name, age and salary. Now I will manually add the data, some datas here. Okay, just I will insert a one button here. Once I hit the button, then data will be come. Okay, after that I going to properties and show get. Okay, double click the get. Once you double hit the button, it will be go into the coding part. After that I will add some data here. Just data grid view one dot rows dot add, and data grid view one dot rows 0 position dot cell, which cell position 0. Position 0 means first cell. Value equal to, this is id, right? id vel 1, not 1. Just I'm trying to copy 4 because 4 columns is there, so I will using 4 columns here. Okay, same like doing the few more datas. Control C, Control V, Control V. Okay, after that I change the row. Okay, now here id, name, age, salary, right? id, name, where this is my name, and age 24, and salary 18,000 is his Indian rupees, 18,000. Okay, same like money, age 50 44, salary 5,000. Raja, age 65, salary 55,000. Okay, Control S and debug, run F5, click F5 here. Okay, just I hit the button, data will be come like that. Okay, now I will get the data row index. Okay, how to get the row index? Because selected row index. Once I select the row, I will get the row index in a message box. Anything you want like that. Okay, okay. I will using this is event like click event properties. I select the data grid view and go to the events. Which events I'm using? Row state change, row leave, row height, row enter. Okay, I'm using row enter. So once I am selecting the row, after that I just click the enter button, then it will be fetching the selected row index. Okay, so data grid view 1 row enter. Okay, row enter. Okay, okay, I'm using if e dot, oh sorry, row enter, right? Okay, message box dot show data grid view dot rows dot selected rows 0 dot index to string. Okay, just I click run button. Get data. Oh, some errors will be happening. Argument is not puzzling. Okay, so I leave that row enter event. Some error is happening. So after that I will try another way. And what event? Key down. So now I am using key down event. Okay, data grid view 1 underscore key down. Okay, now if e dot key code equal to keys dot enter. Okay, once I enter, click the enter button, then it will be work. Okay, select a row index. Okay, right now I will run my Windows and click the button. Once I select the row and press enter, this is my row index. And select second row, press enter, and third row, press enter. Okay, now we get row index. Okay, meanwhile any queries or any doubts comes in, I have to send through this is my mail ID. I will show my mail ID here. buri@gmail.com. By signing off, Trivial. Goodbye, see you later.